Art Collins here. Going to talk to you about a system I introduced a while back. I believe it might be in the 2021 Almanac or the 2021. Whatever. I added a little bit of a adjustment to it. We're going to look at both. First of all, this is what it is without the adjustment on a yearly basis. If it was invented sometime around 1819, you can see that it kind of stopped humming along, stumbled pretty significantly in 2020, but it's back on track again. It's the 840 system, the original 840 system. Very simple. 840 is the first 5-minute time bracket that can trade completely above or completely below that all-important daily open price. So the deal is, if the low of the 840 bar is higher, doesn't touch the opening price, you go long. If it's completely below the 830 open, the high doesn't touch it, you go short. And this is what it would have been had you just held it all day and exited it on the 3:15 p.m. day session close. And I fixed it a little bit. You see, you get more of a consistent run through now. What is it exactly? Alright, we went over the rules for entering. You set your chart to 5 minutes, day session only, 8:30 a.m. to 3:15 p.m. Central. Yes, I know that we're exiting now at 4 o'clock. I'll get to that a little more later. Right now, though, we'll just look at numbers for convenience sake. That end at 3:15, so we can be consistent with what's happened like the 6 years leading into now. Pain in the tuchus, if you ask me, but what are you going to do? Alright, at 8:40 a.m., if the bar's low is greater than the daily open, go long. At 8:40 a.m., if the bar's high is less than the daily open, go short. Here's the adjustment. Very simply, you set a $300 money management stop and a $300 profit target, and exit at the 3:15 p.m. day session close. Simplicity personified. This bar is completely below the daily open. You go short. This bar is completely above it. You go long. In both cases here, textbook perfect fashion, we took our $300 profits. So from January 2nd, 2015 through June 8th, 2021, $30,000 on 855 trades. This is pretty interesting. Stop that's equal to the profit target, and you're still batting 55.5% accurate. Nice $36 average trade. That's before slippage commission, but take your $15 off of that, you're still looking pretty good. Very, very manageable. Worst drawdown. That into the 30,000 figure gives you a percentage increase of 851. That would be what your account would have increased had you started with your worst drawdown amount. Corroboration across the board in the other markets, although none of them improve on the S&P. Always nice to see the concept verified, though, even if we're only going to do one market. And again, simplicity personified, easy to follow. Check this out for other market ideas. And thank you for joining me.